How to see external funds on Steam. Hello everybody. In order to do that, you may follow up these methods. So open up a Steam account and you will be finding this interface. Now you may head over to help at the top and go to Steam support. Click on it. After you open up Steam support, you should be finding this. Now from here, scroll down and look for the option called My Account. Click on it. And after clicking on it, you will be taken to another page. Now from here also, scroll down and look for the option called Data related to our Steam account. Click on it. And after there, you will be taken to this page. Now from here, you need to locate the option called External Funds Use. Go ahead and click on it, which is right under Video Encrypted Content Licenses. And then once you go ahead and click on it, here you will be finding all of the external funds used in your Steam. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to look out for your external funds. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.